So we have Mike and Damian here from Concierge Detailing. They're in from Columbus. And they basically came in for 2 days of private paint correction and jade ceramic coating training. So, Mike, what do you do at Concierge?
I'm the business development manager for Concierge Detailing. I also do detail the vehicles also.
Excellent.
Help with detailing.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Damien?
I'm one of the lead detailers, and I also handle mostly just making sure that everything runs as smoothly as possible.
So Mike must have a lot of confidence in you and looking ahead for your future by bringing you in
Yes, sir.
these last 2 days. So, what do you guys think of the paint correction training this week?
It was great. It was great. There was a couple of things that I've had paint correction training in the past, and it was just kind of like a watch somebody for a few minutes type of thing.
Right.
The hands-on, and we needed some hands-on training. I wanted us to have hands-on training so we have more confidence
Sure.
in our product.
Sure.
And, I came in. I want to know when somebody leaves my shop in Columbus, Ohio, that there's nothing else I could have done better to make that car look any better. So I came here today, and that's what I learned how to do.
Absolutely. Damien?
This has been my first hands-on training involving any detailing work, and outside of working with Mike, this has brought me to a whole new level of wanting to understand and wanting to know exactly what needs to be done,
Sure.
following all of the perfect steps to make sure that cars look as good as they can before they leave
And
us.
do you feel that you guys accomplished that?
Oh, yeah.
Absolutely, yes.
Yeah.
I mean,
Absolutely.
yesterday you had a horrible black Kia sedan. It looks like it was driven through the car wash every day of its life.
Yeah,
Every single day.
Like every single day.
Yeah.
Today you took this Ford Fiesta that looked like it hasn't been washed since day one,
Absolutely.
and absolutely performed paint correction, ceramic coating. Just did a wonderful job. They're the trainers. Got to say special thanks to Chris and Chase today, and all week, both yesterday and today. You guys did one heck of a job.
Thank you.
And the thing's amazing. I think the customer may have a stroke when he sees it.
Yeah. It came out great.
So, how was the paint correction training?
It was great.
Absolutely amazing. I've got all the information that I was looking for out of this, and I feel like I could definitely teach somebody back at the shop.
Perfect.
I learned everything I come here to learn, and then some. So,
Perfect.
great.
And the ceramic coatings, you confident now about the ceramic coatings and the paint correction?
Absolutely.
Very good, man. You guys are now a Detail Czar certified.
Awesome.
Congratulations. You guys did a wonderful job. Have a safe trip back to Columbus.
Awesome. Thanks.
Thank you. Thank you.